Hey, this is Cool Trains of Montreal here at Dorval. The last train of the day, eastbound freight coming into Dorval on Canadian Pacific, Kansas City. With the Burlington Northern Santa Fe. And this one's a special movement. Looks like the towers for those windmills, Windfarm towers. I don't think I've ever seen that on Canadian Pacific before. About 7:35 p.m. May 19th, 2024. Yeah, it's been a long time since I've seen windmill components on a freight. Oh wow, look at that. These are the motor units. Motor housings. Those are heavy cars. Those are really heavy components. I have never seen those. Wow. Looks like it's a wide load as well. That's incredible. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains of Montreal. Have a good day.